In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide Instagram chats without deleting them. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app, and then you can open up DMs, and as you can see, if you swipe to the left on any conversation or if you hold down on any conversation, there are no option to hide those conversations from that list. That's because first off you need to change your Instagram profile type. So go to your profile, hit at that icon and select settings. Then scroll down until you find the switch to professional account. Just tap on it, then hit continue all the time. Then you can select any of that suggested categories for your profile. I'm just gonna keep personal blog selected. Then tap at done, then next. And once you've switched your profile to personal, you can go into DMs, and then if you want to hide some conversation without deleting them, you can just swipe to the left until that option comes up, and then you can tap on general to move that conversation into general. And as you can see, that hides that conversation from your primary conversations. In that simple way, you can move any conversation to general that hides it from primary without deleting them. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.